Hi folks, so when you log into your Amplify account, click on Admin Portal. When you click on Admin Portal, you'll be brought to this page. If you need to add students or staff to a class, you just click on let's add a staff member. Click Staff. So if I want to add Jim Monty to a class, I'm going to type in Jim Monty's email address, his whole email address, jmonty@westwarwickpublicschools.com. Click search. And then when you do that, you're going to get Jim's record. So you're going to click on his name, and you can add all kinds of information for Jim. You can add classes. You can add programs, you can add school buildings, you can change permissions for Jim. So I can add classes for Jim. So right now he has none. So I'm going to click Add Classes. And when I do that, it shows me all of the classes. So I can search by grade level if I wanted to. So I'm going to say, I want to add all of the grade 4 classes to Jim. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to put in grade 4. And then you can decide which classes you want to add. So if you wanted all the homeroom classes, you could put in HMRM, because that's the homeroom course, right? And I can go in and add all of those. I can click on each of those independently or select all 13 classes. Once I do that, I click the Add Classes button, and then I click Save Updates. And when I do that, it's added those classes to my list.